Timre County Mama Kilifi. Sirikal County Mama Kilifi olando ni gise kedo chutho gitwo Nyaldiema e county no. Bang report mogik mar Nyaldiema ne olanda higni 7 mokalo. Kane oloso gi jofwambo bang timo campaign mag yore makare mar tiyo gi cho. Jalup gavana ma county ma Kilifi Flora Chibule wacho ni gise kedo kod tuo Nyaldiema gi kwana tamalo 100 chakre higa mar 2017. Dwaro makamano bende biro tok Migago mar thieth e county ma Kilifi. Yango ni gisani kwana tamalo 86 mag jodak e county no tiyo gi chope. Gwenge 955 e county no bende osepuonji yore makare mar tiyo gi chope.
Tunafurahi ya kwamba kila mwaka inakwenda kuadhimishwa, na sisi watu wa Kilifi tumejipanga vilivyo. Tunasema ya kwamba kuwe na maeneo ya vyoo, na pia tuangazie uoshaji mikono haswa kutumia sabuni. Kwa Wakenya wote, wacha pamoja tuhakikishe ya kwamba malengo yetu ya kwamba tuwe na zero magonjwa yanayohusikana na sanitation yaishe. Tuwe mstari wa mbele, tuwe champions for wash.
During this rainy season, as a county government, we have set up an emergency operations center that are handling responses from the community in terms of flooding, in terms of diseases. We are doing disease surveillance. We have a number that is 1535. That is a free toll number you can call, so that our officers from the department of we are working as a multi-sector, Department of Disaster, Department of Health, and of course the national government, that is the Ngao or the coordination office. So we are responding to the cases that arise.
Want all Kenyans in the Republic of Kenya to access sanitation by the year 2030. We are happy Kilifi is assuring us that by 2024 Kilifi shall be open defecation free. And we call upon all the other counties in this republic to ensure that we remove the shame of suffering from diarrhea or getting sick because of diseases we can otherwise prevent by using toilets.
Sirkal mama loko kale Migago muchune dongrok mag pinje mag